Hey, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Kimberly Keynes and I do videos on beauty, fashion, and a little bit of fitness. So feel free to snoop around my channel and I'm sure there's something you like. You'll find hauls, reviews, makeup tutorials. There's something here for everyone. So make sure you check it out. And most importantly, guys, hit that subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified each time I post a new video. Okay? I hope you stick around and we can have lots of fun together.